Here I've got HUAWEI Mate 30 and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first you have to open the optimizer, which is here, and now let's start with tapping on optimize, which is in the middle of the screen. Click on this tab and now it will be done automatically. Just give your device a short while. And now, as you can see, everything is fixed. Click on done and this is it. Then you can also go to cleanup feature. And now you can, for example, delete young files. Simply click on clean and that's it. So let me go back. Then you can go to virus scan. So if it would be accessible, you can perform a virus scan, but as you can see, your device is secure, so there is no need to worry. Also, you can go to power saving mode and you can also optimize battery usage if you want to. Simply click on this tab, wait a couple of seconds and click on finish. So this is it. Let me go back, and as you can see, now you can smoothly and easily use your device. It will definitely work way faster, as we got rid of young files, we checked if we have any viruses, and also we optimized the battery. So that would be all. This how you can speed up your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.